What's up, everybody? It's Dot.Two C2 here. It's been a long time since I've made a video, but this is something I'm super excited about. A lot of you, or some of you, have seen my GT3-ish build, 2010 base Carrera 997.2 that I've kind of done a little bit of aero bits, including the taco wing. I have this GT3 Tech lower lip. And then I did a bunch of suspension work, Bilstein PSS 9s, Tarot end links, and a lot of different adjustable arms to make the car handle as best as it can for mainly street and autocross, which I really enjoy doing. One of the things that's always been missing is for making the front end of this car look a little bit more aggressive, more like the factory Aero kit, is a central Aero Element here. The Aero kit and the GT3 itself have a completely different bumper. There's an inlay in here that sits, maybe I'll post a picture, that makes the car look a lot more aggressive. So up until very recently, there was really no way to kind of complete the front end of my car until a new company came out called Dot.Two design. When I saw it, I instantly went on their website and saw exactly what I was looking for. It's a insert Aero Element right here that just covers this and makes it more aggressive and mimics the original Aero bumper. So this is 100% cosmetic. One of the few things that I do just for that reason, but I'm willing to give it a try because I think it might complete the front bumper a little bit better. And just kind of see how it works. It's about $500. I'm not paid by them or was not given this free in any way, so I'm just going to unbox it and kind of fit it and let you guys see what I do and see what you think of it. Maybe it's something that you guys want to do for your 997.2, since there are not many aftermarket Aero options, and the OEM ones are rare to find, and if you do find them, they are astronomically expensive. So all right, so come with me, we'll unbox this and we'll fit it. And all right, so here we are with the box. It's nice and open. I did get a quick peek at it. Comes with nice little instructions. It's very simple though. It's basically, there's 3M tape around the perimeter, and once you're ready to go, you just push it in there, and it should be able to stay in there. Now, here's the thing I'm really surprised about. This thing, I was worried, honestly, for $500 that it was just gonna be a flimsy, maybe 3D printed piece. This is a super nice piece. It's quite hefty. It's a couple pounds easily, and all the edges are really clean. Very well done, very well done. I do have to say that. So my first worry of it, just overspending, $500 for a non-functional real piece, for me in general, is not something I usually do. But I did think that this might add the aggressiveness the front needed. But anyway, it is a lot better. So in theory, this should just slide in here. I haven't done it yet. Now I do have a GoPro I mounted here for autocross, so that's my one worry, that it may not fit with that. There's a notch up here. You gotta kind of have to pinch per instruction to get this thing in, and then just kind of set it in. And that sits real clean. Holy cow. I know you can't really see it because it's black, but and the background's black, but as you can see, it sits really nicely, and I'm actually super impressed. I was totally kind of nervous about this, as we all are when we buy things, and is it a waste of money or not? But we'll see how this works. Next step will be for me to paint prep it and give it a spray to match my lip and my car. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, here we go. One take, one shot. Here's the painted Aero Element. all I did was start the 3M on the back here and on the top, so you wouldn't have to watch me struggle with that. All right, so I have just practice test fitting it just to see how it goes in again. Seems very simple, but I haven't done it with the tape off, so you're gonna come on this journey with me. Hopefully I succeed, I don't fail in front of you, but we'll see. Tape off. Just want to show you how easy or difficult it is to actually install this piece. So here we go. Here goes nothing. That was really simple. Super nice flush fit. It's really on there. Hold this up. It says hold it up about 60 seconds. It's already really on there. There she is. All right, like I said, there she is. I just want to give you a better view. Fits nice and flush. It was, as you can tell, it was a super easy install. Very happy with this. Completes kind of the front end to the Aero look. As I said before, this lip is a GT3 Tech lip. It's all right. It's meant for all generations, so it doesn't really fit the 997.2 perfectly. I had to massage it to fit it. I know Dot.Two design will be, there they are, Dot.Two design will be working on the lip, I believe they told me, in which case, based on their front Aero Element, I will 100% be looking into that, because so far their stuff is really, really good. And the fitment is perfect. So once again, I'll give you a quick look. Looks perfect. And give you a quick look of the whole car. Just pick a bunch of stuff, but there she is. Just adds a little bit of sauce to the front. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully you like it. If not, let me know too, I guess. Either way. But yeah, definitely look into it. I would be 100% in support of making this company a big deal, because the Dot.Two doesn't get a lot of Aero love. So putting the sticker on my car, calling it a day. All right, thank you guys.